how to increase or decrease the system font size on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on display. Then we scroll down and tap on font size and style. From here, you can adjust the font size by dragging on the slider bar to the left hand side to decrease the font size. To enlarge it, you can drag it to the right, and this will increase the text size. So here, make the necessary adjustment. Once you are happy with it, you can then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.